wiki.ezvid.com. Search Ezvid Wiki before you decide. Ezvid presents the 10 best camping stools. Let's get started with the list. Starting off our list at number 10, weighing less than 2 pounds, the Sitgo lean-to is about the size of a large water bottle, making it easy to take anywhere. While it's not the best choice for those with balance issues, there are many who'll still benefit from its convenience. It clips onto backpacks and belts, however the seat is not padded and it doesn't stand on its own. At number 9, the 8 poles propping the yolafe portable seat come together to form 4 stable V-shaped legs. It collapses and expands in an accordion-like fashion and has a mesh pocket for holding things like drinks and cell phones. It's available in grey and yellow-green. However, its weight capacity is just 176 pounds, and the fabric can't be removed for cleaning. Coming in at number 8 in our list. Although there is a bit of a learning curve when it comes to setting up the rothco folding, its packability makes up for that hassle. It's available in several camouflage colors as well as black, olive drab and coyote brown. It comes with a matching case, however the seat is only 8 inches deep and it comes with a California Prop 65 warning. Our newest choices can only be seen at wiki.ezvid.com. Go there now and search for camping stools or simply click beneath this video. At number 7, the aillovocol Mini is made with durable Oxford cloth that's further reinforced by a fabric cross, offering safe and sure support for up to 220 pounds. Its manufacturers stand behind the design by providing a 2-year warranty. It's equipped with bolstered steel legs, but the hardware requires regular retightening and it is susceptible to sun damage. Moving up our list to number 6. While the Stansport Deluxe might be a little too tall and wide for the constraints of long-range backpacking, it's still a good pick for other outdoor activities, such as barbecues and prospecting. Its seat is woven from mildew-resistant and non-absorbent Dacron. The coated legs resist corrosion and it weighs under 3 pounds. However, it is only available in grey. Halfway up our list at number 5, the seat topping the geertop tripod is woven from strong yet soft waterproof fabric that'll help keep your rear comfortable and dry in damp conditions. It has a mesh pouch that zips shut to secure personal effects like your keys and wallet. It features powder-coated steel legs and an adjustable carrying strap, but it doesn't come with a cover. At number 4, if you're looking for a versatile option that's just as good indoors as it is out, the Beckworth & Co. smartflip is a good choice. Its solid, even top makes it a useful step for reaching high shelves, and it can be folded up for storage in tight spaces. It includes a built-in handle and offers a comfortable 22-inch height. It's made from durable plastic. Nearing the top of our list at number 3, several useful features set the GCI outdoor tripod apart from other packable seats. From shock cord supports that swiftly snap into place like tent poles to a thoughtful reinforcement panel that keeps it from splaying too wide. The included storage pouch cinches and buckles, and it's only 16 inches when collapsed. The fabric seat is attached securely. Our newest choices can only be seen at wiki.ezvid.com. Go there now and search for camping stools or simply click beneath this video. At number 2, at a sitting height of 16 inches, the Alps mountaineering tri-leg makes a great perch for anglers, long-range backpackers and others who want to enjoy the outdoors with as little gear as possible. It's only 23 inches tall and 3 inches in diameter when collapsed. The fabric conforms to the sitter and it comes with a carrying bag. It holds up to 250 pounds. And coming in at number 1 on our list, the strong steel legs of the travelchair Slacker can support up to 275 pounds, and each one is capped with a textured foot pad to stop it slipping. It's available in red, green, black or blue, with a grey strap for attaching it to a pack. It boasts a heavy-duty ripstop fabric seat and a Velcro strap to hold it closed. It weighs a little over 2 pounds. Our newest choices can only be seen at wiki.ezvid.com. Go there now and search for camping stools or simply click beneath this video.